In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom folder icons in Windows 11. Customizing your folder icons is a simple way to make your desktop and file explorer more personal and much easier to navigate. Instead of every folder looking the same, you can use different colors or images to quickly spot what you need. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, and I'll explain what each option does so you know exactly what's happening as you go. First, make sure you have the icon file you want to use. Windows uses ICO files for folder icons. So, if you have a PNG or JPG image, you'll need to convert it to an ICO file using a trusted online converter, or an image editor that supports ICO format. Once you've saved that ICO file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated icons folder, you're ready to start customizing. Now, open File Explorer and locate the folder you want to change. This can be any folder, a project folder, a work folder, or even a personal one. Right-click on the folder and select Properties from the context menu. This will open a new window with several tabs at the top. In the Properties window, click on the Customize tab. This tab is specifically designed for changing how your folder looks and behaves. Near the bottom, you'll see a section labeled Folder Icons. Here, click the button that says Change Icon. A new Change Icon window will appear. By default, Windows will show you a list of built-in icons that you can use right away, and you can scroll through these if you want something simple and quick. To use your own custom icon file, click the Browse button. Navigate to the location where you saved your ICO file, select it, and then click Open. You'll now see your chosen icon displayed in the list. Click on that icon to highlight it, and then click OK to confirm. Back in the Properties window, click Apply, and then click OK again to close the window. Your folder icon should now be updated. If you don't see the change immediately, try clicking away and back again, or press F5 to refresh File Explorer. You can repeat this process for any folder you want, and you can always return to the same settings to switch to a different icon or restore the default look.